Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am participating in a collaboration called the Glam Squad Enthusiastics Fall Glam Tablescape. Alright, so the host is Glamour Ellen. Her co-hosts are Luxury Living Within, Elegant Designs by B, Glam Queen of Decor, Tammy. They just wanted us to glam up a tablescape, so I decided to glam up a fall tablescape. Just going in there gradually, to the tablescape, the fall, okay? And yeah, so they wanted it glam, so I think I gave them glam. All right, so please check these ladies out. You will not be disappointed. They bring you very great content. These ladies' tablescapes and their homes are absolutely beautiful. All right, so thank you, Glamour Ellen, for putting on this beautiful collaboration. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And to all her co-hosts, thank you so much. And thank you for the open collaboration, the open invite. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to start here at our plate setting. Okay, this right here, flatware, came from Goodwill. I got a whole set. These right here came from Home Goods. I believe it was Home Goods or Marshalls, either or. And these right here are DIY. These are napkin ring holders. You can use them as curtain holders. You can just make them bigger, but I DIY'd them for napkin rings. And I did the knot tie on that. And these right here, plates right here, this bowl, I'm sorry, came from Dollar Tree years ago. These right here plates came from Goodwill. I mean, y'all, I racked up on these. And these are 222 fifth. What did I get tongue twisted? 222 fifth, okay? And they were in the box brand new. I got 4 of those, 4 more of those, and I gave a set to my girlfriend that passed on. Resting in the Lord. I miss her so much. But I got like the big plates like that and everything. The big plates with the trimming and with the peacock in the middle. So pretty. These right here came from, I got these from Marshalls. And these right here again are from Amazon. I thought this would give the glam effect, so I used these right here. It's got the shimmer in them. I love these plates. I absolutely love these. You can use these for all year round. Okay. Okay, there we go. And these right here, glasses, I got these from Good Stuff. And this was red around here. I didn't want that. So when you look at there, you can see that it was red right there. But I did it in this glitter glass. And this glitter glass comes from Michael's. Hobby Lobby. No, from Michael's. That's where I got mine from Michael's. But yeah. And this right here, centerpiece. These right here, turntable, a Lazy Susan, whatever you want to call it. It came from Goodwill. These right here, flowers right here. Got those years ago. I believe they came from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And here we had these pumpkins from last year. Okay, we had those, and we have this here beautiful Glam vase. It came from Burlington Coat Factory. These flowers again. I love these flowers. I absolutely love them. I think they're so beautiful. Okay, and they're on each side. And because that's like my signature color, I love it. That seafoam green, yes. And go back and check some of my videos out from the apartment where but this is my Glam butterfly. I love this butterfly. I got this at where did I get this from? Walmart. You know, they have all that pretty stuff during the Christmas holiday, but I use mine all year round. Okay? You will be seeing my butterfly during Christmas and Thanksgiving. And these roses right here, y'all, I'm in love with these. I am so crushing on these roses. I got them from the Goodwill. Okay? And these right here flowers was some of the flowers that was in with this here arrangement. I'm telling you, I got so many nice flowers out of that arrangement, okay? Now we're coming on down here to these little throw gems, okay? I got those from Dollar Deal. This is a local Dollar Deal place here in New Jersey. And I got them from there. These right here, I did these years ago. I DIY'd and used my seafoam green. That right there with the gold in it. and I love it. And I put a little gem right there on there, and that came from my local hair store. Okay, and these here glass candle holders, they came from Goodwill. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. You know I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Please share the video and with your family and friends. I appreciate it so much. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you in the next video. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Please be safe out there. Know that I love you and Jesus loves you too. Y'all, please be safe. And thank you to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so much. And thank you to all my new family members. I appreciate y'all as well. And I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Now, God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.